Hi, this is Manny with Classic Auto Repair. Today we're looking at the final inspection of a 1963 International Scout. This particular truck has a late model LS1 engine swap in it. It's got a 350 Chevrolet engine and computer. It's in here this visit for a steering column upgrade. The original steering column bearings were shot in it, and we installed a custom tilt steering wheel, which gets you your tilt. It's got turn signals. The wiring was completely bad on it. It connected incorrectly, so I redid all the wiring, put turn signal and hazard circuits into the wire harness so that we would get those benefits as well on this steering wheel. It has a aluminum billet steering wheel that's been added to it, and everything fits into the original column location. I just had to modify the brackets to get everything to fit and put a new shaft coupler to get it connected to the rest of the gearbox. And we got the brake lights working, turn signals, everything's functioning the way it should. Even the horn now is connected to the steering wheel versus a dash button that it had before that. This is Manny with Classic Auto Repair. Thanks for watching.